Okay, so we have a half a pound of scallops. I have about 20 medium shrimp. Tomato stew. I didn't have any tomato stew, so I took a can of diced tomatoes. I put it in the Ninja, and I added to it some onion paste and some red peppers, and then I processed it and made a stew. So that's how you make tomato stew if you don't have tomato stew. So remember, diced tomatoes, onion paste. You don't have onion paste, just cut up an onion very, very fine. And what was the other thing? Oh, and the red pepper cut up fine. And then you just put it in a food processor, or in my case I put it in the Ninja, and it just hit mix, and you have the tomato stew. Okay? Okay, in addition, we're going to be putting some more onion paste in there. That's what we have here. We're going to be using some chicken broth, some more garlic paste. Well, not more. We're going to put garlic paste in there. And this is crushed red peppers that I grew in my garden. You may have yours in a container. Whatever way you have it, you can use yours. We're going to be using some Creole seasoning and some Italian seasoning. Okay? Okay, let me move this. This is not in the mix. Okay, so let's start out. Well, let me fix the stove. There we go. Sometimes when you clean the stove, you got to put the eye on just right. Okay, so I have a 3-ounce glass of water. I'm going to put that in. And the next thing I want to add in is some more onion paste. I got 1, 2 heaping spoons of onion paste. Now I want to add the stewed tomatoes. I'm going to add the garlic paste. That's what that looks like. So I just took the garlic and I put it in the food processor, added some olive oil, and it made garlic paste if you keep blending it down. That's how you make garlic paste. If you don't want to make garlic paste, just cut up some garlic very fine. Okay, 1, 2, 3 heaping teaspoons of garlic paste. Okay, now I want to add some chicken broth. One heaping, 2 heaping, 3 heaping tablespoons of chicken broth. Okay, this Creole seasoning is spicy, so I'm making you aware of that. So if you don't like spicy items, don't put it in yours, okay? I'm going to put it in. Okay, that's about 2 teaspoons of this Creole seasonings. Now I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Okay, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of Italian seasonings. Now let's add the crushed red peppers. Again, if you don't like spicy, do not put the the crushed red peppers in yours. Okay, so you see what I got here? That's about a half a teaspoon. And this is going to make up 1 teaspoon. If I can get it out. Okay, so we got a total of 1 teaspoon of red crushed peppers. Let's give that a mix. Alright, now we're going to add the 20 shrimp. And we're going to add the scallops, a half a pound of scallops. Okay. Now we have everything in. We're going to let that come up to a boil. Now I am going to need to thicken the gumbo with something. So I'm thinking that I'm going to make a roux and thicken it with the roux. So let me do that with you right now.